Okay guys, here I am. I'm in the hills above Chorley. I'm going to go out, go for a walkabout and probably be out all night, so I shall check back with you all later. Okay, we're starting to climb a little bit now. I've got a much bigger pack than I will have when I do the Trek Peru. Like some of you probably know already, I'm going to do the Inca Trail next year in Native Galloways. I'll put a link to the Just Giving page down the bottom, or the Virgin Money Giving page, sorry, and a link to Galloways as well. So yeah, I thought I'll come out, it's a nice night, I'll do a trek, can use it as a bit of training. I'm going to be nowhere near as high as Peru obviously, but any training's good training. We've got the tarp set up and see how it goes tonight. Just got the bush buddy going, so the bush box going rather. So I'm going to cook myself a steak and settle in for the night. So yeah, it's been a bit of a hike. It's probably getting close to about 8 o'clock now. Bit of a slope, but should be alright. Here we are, cooking a steak. So I will get back to you later on when it's done. So yeah, we've got a steak cooking. This is a first for me. I've not done this before, so we'll see how it goes. But give it a go. Packed up camp about 5 o'clock this morning, hiked out. Now come to a bit of a picnic area where I've got the bush box going again, and just cooking myself up some full English breakfast. It's around about 7:40 in the morning. I packed up camp at 5 this morning. It's still pitch black, so I got everything packed away. Then I did a hike for maybe about 40 minutes or so, and then I stopped and got the bush box out, cooked up some full breakfast. So there was sausage, beans, bit of bacon, bit of omelette in there. Had a brew, repacked all my kit, and now I'm back on the trail again. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a cracking day. Not too far today, only maybe a couple of hours or so. I'm going to hike back into Chorley, and then Jane's going to pick me up. Okay, yeah, so I was saying, packed up at 5 o'clock this morning, got all my stuff away in pitch black, hiked for about 40 or 50 minutes to a local picnic site where I knew there was going to be some tables and plenty of wood about. Yeah, and then I got the bush box going, cooked up a breakfast, an all-day breakfast, which was beans, bacon, sausage, omelette. It was really nice. repacked my bag and got underway again. So, but yeah, I was saying, didn't get to do much filming for the camp last night. Set up with a tarp and sleeping mat and my sleeping bag. Had a reasonable night's sleep, but couldn't do much filming though, because it was, by the time I got to where I was going, it was, like you saw earlier, it was pretty dark and I didn't have much lighting. Needed to cook my dinner up, which I did a nice steak. The first place I thought of camping wasn't really suitable, so that kind of ate into my evening when I was going to do some filming for you guys, but not to worry. So, but yeah, it was good. I had the tarp set up. Really nice night. Very quiet. It was really peaceful. Slept okay, but it was maybe around about 4 o'clock this morning. There was some owls screeching nearby, which kind of woke me up, and it was a bit chilly, so I just laid in bed for a bit, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get up, get packed up and get hiking. But you can see it's a beautiful morning, and yeah, it's been a good trip, so I'll catch up with you soon. Okay, I mentioned earlier on in the video that I was going to be doing the trek to Machu Picchu along the Inca Trail. Doing it for Galloway's to help other visually impaired people. It's a charity that I work for, and as well as working for them, it's very dear to me as well, because they really helped me with my sight. But I've got all that's my story in another video that I did earlier, which I'll copy the link in the description below. If you want to go and look at it, click the link in the description and you can go and see the reasons why I want to go and do this Inca trek to Peru next year. I know this walk that we've been doing is nowhere near what we're going to do when we do the Inca Trail, but it's been a bit of training. Like I said earlier, carrying a heavy pack, doing an overnight camp, because on the trek we'll be doing, I think it's 5 nights camping, so I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, it's good, so hoping to raise quite a bit of money for Galloway's, and if anyone can support me in any way, there's a link to the Virgin Money Giving page, and you can donate whatever you want to there. Anything is greatly received. But yeah, I love it round here. Sort of we're on the hills outside of Chorley. We're not that far away from the town centre, but you could be in the middle of nowhere. It's gorgeous around here. I used to do a lot of walking around here when I was growing up. When I was a kid, we used to come with the bikes and do some walking, so it's good to be around here again. And like I say, it was a really good night out. So yeah, I'll catch up with you later on. Almost at the end of the off-road part of the walk. Shortly it'll just be back on the footpath and roads back into Chorley. So from now, so see you later, and we'll catch you in the next video. See you soon.